Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Expedia. This payment method allows you to split your hotel booking into manageable installments, making travel more accessible without paying everything up front. First, open your web browser and head over to afterpay.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. If you prefer, you can also choose to log in after making your booking, but signing in first ensures a smoother checkout experience. Now look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in Expedia. This search will help you access Expedia's booking platform directly through Afterpay's portal, ensuring your payment method is already integrated. From the search results that appear, click on Expedia to proceed to their booking page. You'll now be ready to start planning your trip. Once you're on the Expedia page, navigate to the section labeled Going To. This is where you'll select your destination area. You can type your exact destination directly into the field, whether it's a specific city, region, or even a particular hotel location you have in mind. Right beside the destination field, you'll see the check-in option. Click on it and select your desired check-in date from the calendar that appears. This sets the start of your hotel reservation. Next, click on Check Out to select your departure date. Make sure the dates align with your travel plans, as this determines the length of your stay and the overall cost. After setting your dates, click the Search button. Expedia will now process your request and generate a list of available hotels that match your criteria. This might take a moment, so be patient while the results load. Once the list appears, browse through your options and look for your preferred hotel. When you find one that suits your needs, click on it to view more details about the property, amenities, and available rooms. Scroll down the hotel's page until you find the Rooms section. Here you'll see different room types and their corresponding prices. Select your preferred room by clicking on it, then click the Reserve button to move forward with your booking. You'll now be taken to a form where you need to enter your personal information. Fill in the required fields, including your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure all details are accurate, as this information is crucial for your reservation confirmation. Navigate down to the Payment Details section. This is the most important step for using Afterpay. Ensure that Afterpay is selected as your payment method. If it's not already chosen, select it from the available options. Finally, scroll down and click the Pay with Afterpay button. This will process your booking and split the payment into 4 equal installments, with the first payment due today and the remaining 3 spread over the following weeks. Your hotel reservation is now confirmed, and you can enjoy flexible payment terms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.